Hi guys, my name is King James. Now in this lecture series, I'm going to be teaching you how to make use of one of the best cryptocurrency trading platform, which is called Binance. Now the platform looks so complex and complicated. Now you need somebody that will put you through, that will show you the interface, how it works. Without that, it will make no meaning. All right, let's go into lecture proper. All right, folks, I'm going to be making use of two browsers. The reason is that on one I'm going to be logging in, and on the other one I'm going to show you how to register as a new user. Because if you look at it here, you see login. You can log in, that is if you've already registered before. Then you register if you're a new user who have not registered. You need to create an account. Now on this side, I'm going to click on login because I already have an account. So it's going to take me to the point of logging in. So now my password is there. I want to log in. Okay, so it's giving me this to, I'll move to this side. At times I find it a little disturbing trying to log in like that. The best way I log in, I make use of this code here. Then I'll make use of my phone. Now I'll show you that later. I'll show you how to do that. I'll come and scan. Okay, so I've already scanned with my phone. Then I'll click on authorize on my phone. Once I click on authorize on my phone, then it will log me in directly on the system. That is because I already have an account. Now I want to show you the difference. Now because I'm logged in, on the home page, okay, you see Binance, buy crypto, market, trade, derivative, finance, and NFT. Then the new thing is, because I've logged in, I'll see my wallet, I'll see others. Okay, then I'll now see my profile, and I need to tell me that I've already registered, I've already been verified. Then this is my dashboard, security, and the rest of them. But if I come to this other side, because I've not logged in, what I'll do is that I'll have to register as a new user. Now another thing is, you need to know as a new user is that now it will show you this to see content specific to your location. We suggest Nigeria as your preferred country or region. Yes, I'll click on continue, which is true. Now register now. So I'm going to click on register if I were you. Now you have the option to register with your email or your mobile number. Now in my own case, I made use of my mobile number. See, your country code comes in here. Put in your password, your preferred password that you will not forget. Please try to put in a password that you write down so you don't forget it. Then you select this and you click on create account. So this is how you go about it. Because I cannot register two times, I don't want to start putting a fictitious phone number and say create. So it's as simple as that. So because I've already logged in, so I'll go to the home panel. Now having done that, I know all these things you're seeing will look like a threat to you. Don't worry, we all started from somewhere. You're going to get there. Don't allow them to bother you. It's a step-by-step thing. You know, if you want to rush into it, it's just like buying a car and you just want to start driving it immediately, and meanwhile you've not known how to drive, you're going to crash. So what you do is you need to learn it step by step. All these things you get to understand them. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So once you finish your registration, the next thing is you need to go and get yourself verified. Now I'll be teaching them one after the other as a course, but however you can follow up on your own, or later check on some of my courses on how to do each of those things that I'm talking about. Now if you have not been verified just because you've just registered as a new user, because if you don't verify, there's no way you're going to be able to trade using Binance. So here would have been verified. So it has been verified, so I don't need to verify. So in your own case here, you need to verify. Now mind you, if you want to verify, you need your national ID card or your international passport. Now the best way to get verified very fast is if you make use of your international passport. That was what I used in doing my own verification. So it's so swift, it will not give you stress at all. I've heard some people who said they tried to make use of maybe their national ID card or some other thing that they couldn't log in. If you go to some platforms on Facebook, you see people complaining, but I've not seen anybody complaining using his passport, that's international passport. Now the next thing I want to show you is you'll be learning them one after the other. So on this place, just like in a phone or anything, here this is where this is called profile. On this your profile here, we've not come to all this side, we are still on home. Now if you come to this profile here, on this side you get information about what has been happening. For example, now if you come to this side, they said I've received a new task that I should check task center. That's not what I want to do. I want to show you something here. A new device has been authorized. This one happened one day ago. Login attempt from a new. So these are the various things that has been happening to my account. So it will be giving you notification just like in other social media. Now I'll come to this side. I'll come to dashboard. This is my number. Some of them have been blocked. Now I'll click on dashboard. Now when I click on dashboard, it will give me a kind of analysis of what I have. I want to believe we all understand the meaning of dashboard. It's telling me to enable security verification, that I should enable two-factor verification. That I've not done intentionally. I don't want to do it now because I want to use it to create a video. Okay, so I want you people to watch. I'll be doing that later. It's going to be another topic that's enable Binance Google Authenticator. I'll leave that for now. I'll say remind me later. Now I'll come to this side. So I have this is the kind of graph showing me, pie chart rather, showing me the details of my money, what I have. You can see estimated value. This is $17.04. It fluctuates depending on how the currency that I bought. Sometimes it will increase, sometimes it will go down. At times you see it enter $18 or 18 points. It has reduced also. The least it reduced. In fact, then I was like, what's happening? This is because I actually bought the coin that is not really increasing like that. I left it that way purposely. Now the last time I checked, the lowest it went was 16.4, but I did not bother. I just left it like that. As risen again. Now these are the various coins that I have. This is the amount of, this is the coin data is 113 points. I have NOS, so you can see all of them being ably represented in this chart. So that's a preview of what I have, and it's inside a wallet. I'll be talking about it later in full, called Spot. And next to it is something called P2P. That P2P has to do with, for example, now if you want to buy cryptocurrency, one of the best way to buy it, especially if you're from Nigeria, where we have issues with buying cryptocurrency with our bank, our Naira directly. So P2P is a kind of peer-to-peer, whereby you send the money to someone on Binance. That also I'll be teaching you how to do that, but I'm just showing you the interface so that you understand, because like I said before, the Binance app itself, it looks kind of cumbersome. So if you're looking at it, it looks like you're solving a puzzle or furthermore. So step by step you get to understand the interface. All right, the next thing I want to talk about here is, we are still on the dashboard. Okay, now on this port we also see, if you move to this, the left hand side, you see payment. Now what the payment does is, if you click on it, it takes you to where you can add your information. Now you can see still the P2P, like for example, now you want to sell your cryptocurrency to someone on Binance. Now the person needs to pay money into your account. Now, as I'm teaching, you can try it if you could, but otherwise I will be creating videos to also teach all this. Okay, now on this P2P here, you need to add payment method. So if you select, it's just like in other social media, so you're going to choose which method. Is it bank transfer you want, or more you want something else? Of which bank transfer will be better? So if I were you, I'll select bank transfer. I'll still go back to that spot. Now you add your name. This is where you add your name. You add your account number. Okay, then you add the bank name. Then this is optional. Then you click confirm, which I don't want to do. So let me go back there. Now the next thing on the roll is security. Now you need to secure your account. Now, like I said, I intentionally left some of these things so that I'll be using them to create lectures, because once I've done it, I will find it difficult to start undoing it just because I want to create lecture, or else I have to start using someone else's whom I'm creating. So as I'm doing mine, I'm using it to create a lecture. Now if you scroll on this security, there are, you can use this security. We will protect your account with a security, e.g. just like token. I don't want to use that. What I would like to make use of is Binance Google Authenticator. I've not done that, which, like I said, is a lecture on its own. I'll be creating a lecture on how to do that. Then phone verification, that is the only thing I've done because I try to want to trade. If I knew, I wouldn't have done it. I would have just waited so easy to create a lecture for you people. Now then I'll be doing email verification too. I'll be doing that as lecture. So once I've done this email and this Google Authenticator, I think that will be fine for me. So another thing I want to talk about now, like I said, because the interface is very complex, it looks kind of very technical, so you don't have to learn everything before you start earning money using Binance. So all you need first is those things that are very important for you to know, which I've shown you. That's you need to register first, you need to get verified, you need to understand your dashboard and do your check your security also. Now you can also, some things that you can check, like when I came to this side and I came to my dashboard, which brought me to all this side too, which if I click on the dashboard, which gives me, if you remember, it gave me a kind of summary of what I had, okay, which also reminded me of this, that I need to do this verification. So here I can also access this information of the total. I can hide my information, that's the balance, if I want. Here can reveal it. Okay, this is where we have the P2P. Now watch, we went through this side. If you come to wallet also, you can, when you click on this wallet, you will see it's going to give me a so-called overview of what you have. Now it's still the same thing here. You can see, like I said, the coin that I had, it fluctuates and it goes up and down. Now on this side too, you see this is the total I have. Here I can also hide, I can also show what I have. Okay, but if you look at, I'm on overview. That is why if you look at this, you'll be seeing this small yellow highlight. That is, this overview is selected. But in a situation whereby if I come to spot, and we have different wallet, okay, now it depends on the one that you have your money in. Now I have my money in this fiat and spot, so I'll click on it. On fiat and spot, that is where I have my money, my fund. Let me call it fund. Now you will see the fiat and spot balance, that's the total. You can see it has risen to 17.37. It was around the 20. Then, like I said, it increases and it decreases depending on the volume and the amount of what's it called, the gain that the currency that you have bought is getting. Now let me come to this side. You see them one after the other. I have this data now is 113 points. That is what I have there. Now these are the trades that I've done. That's how I splitted my money. So I've not gotten Bitcoin, zero of it. You can see Ethereum, zero of all these other ones. So I just intentionally left it here. Okay, so for you people to see, I'll be going into others in detail. So we're just doing it gradually. So that's it. Now if I come to this side, margin, I just want to click it. I'm not going to, you can see there's nothing. I don't have anything happening there, so that's why we just have to concentrate on this. So basically this is it. So this is just what you need to understand and you kickstart. All right, I want to quickly talk about market now. When you click on market, now you see different coin that is out there, and there are various prices. Now let me start with, if you look very well, you see we have different market. We have the sports market, we have the futures market listing. Now don't get confused. Now if you want to see, if you come to this side now, BTC, okay, you will see what it is trying to tell you, the price of different currency compared to Bitcoin. Okay, like for example, this is Ethereum to Bitcoin, the valuation. Now if you want to see the price of each, come to this fiat. If you select the fiat, okay, on this fiat now you now see the price of each coin compared to dollar. Now so Bitcoin, now this is the price of Bitcoin, which is 60,800. You can see it's fluctuating, little by little. This is the price of Ethereum. Look at, these are different other coins, so these are their prices in relation to US dollars. All right, now another thing is, like I said before, here if you click on this side, it will tell you the price of other coin compared to Bitcoin. You can see BTC dot to BTC, BNB to BTC. Okay, now if you come to BNB also, this BNB is a coin, that's the Binance coin. So here on this its own market, it will be telling you the price between different currency and this BNB itself, dot to BNB, NU to BNB, Luna to BNB. So these are their prices. But if you want to know the price of different currency in dollar, different coin rather in dollar, so this is where you come. So basically this is it. Then if you want to still check, if you come to this overview, market overview, you see them displayed in graph. So you can see the BNB to USDT, US to dollar. You see Bitcoin 60,000. You see Ethereum 3,800 plus. So basically this is just the first thing you need to know about the platform. Then you can now start talking about, how do I fund my wallet? Imagine I'm teaching you on this one that has not been registered. Let me show you the other one which has been registered, which is my own, which I've already shown you before. Clicking on the wallet overview, which takes you to show you whatever you have. So this is the amount. You can see since the amount I have, it keeps going up and down. It's not stable, but it's not going to go down that I will now lose my money. So you need to understand the concept of the user interface of Binance before you start talking about anything. So this is the first lecture. So the next thing I'll be teaching you is how to add money, whatever currency you have, into your wallet and converting it to Bitcoin. So I'll see you next class. My name is King James. If you enjoyed this lecture, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that you get the notification, and hit on the notification bell to get subsequent videos that I'll be dropping. I'll see you later.